In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to gift your FIFA Collect Packs. Let's get started. First, sign into your FIFA Collect account and purchase a pack from an active drop. Before doing anything else, make sure you do not open the pack. Once a pack has been opened, it can no longer be gifted. Only unopened, eligible purchase packs can be sent to someone else. Find the unopened pack you want to send and click the gift button. You will now have two ways to gift your pack. The first option is send to a username. Enter the recipient's FIFA Collect username, then confirm the gift. The pack will be delivered directly to your account. The second option is to create a gift link. This generates a unique link that you can share through email, messaging apps, or social media. The recipient can use the link to claim the pack, even if they don't already have a FIFA Collect account. If the link hasn't been redeemed yet, you can revoke it at any time. Once the recipient claims the gift, the pack will appear in their collection ready to open, and that's it. You now know how to gift your FIFA Collect packs. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.